Heavyweights customs. Yeah. Heavyweights sound got the whole lane knocking up. 6.5, sing while the 6x9's dropping. Yeah. Built in the shop, everywhere getting right. Highway loud, still clean every night. Full package bills, yeah, we don't cut corners. DSP tone, bring the sound of life proper. A2B lock, yeah, the signal stay clear. From the lows to the highs, every note hit here. Corner of a bars, while I ride through the set. 2 in 1 bark, yeah, you hear that breath. Corbett seat, lay back in control. Heavyweights customs, yeah, we run the sound game, no cap. Heavyweights customs, built different, installed different.
What's good? Heavyweights Customs out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Real quick, I just want to send this video so y'all can know I have a Christmas raffle going on. So this Christmas raffle, it's already started right now. It's going all the way till Christmas Eve. And basically what it is $50 buy-in. You can buy as many spots as you want. You really only need to buy 1 spot, but if you feel that you want to buy more and possibly heighten your chances, then go ahead. I'm not going to say no. But basically what the raffle is a chance to win a free stage 2 heavyweights package, and that's parts and labor. So what I'm going to be doing is at Christmas Eve, I still haven't figured out the exact time yet, but on Christmas Eve, I'm going to be going live on Instagram. So if y'all don't have Instagram, download Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because I'm not going live on TikTok. Not going live on Facebook, only on Instagram, not even here on YouTube. But again, first place is going to win you a full heavyweight stage 2 package. That's parts, that's labor. If you decide you want to, and there's 2 options. You can either go like this with no lids, or you can go with the lid kit because you might want a little extra space. But at the end of the day, whatever you want, as far as stage 2 package, if you win, it's totally up to you. I'll get you right, get you in, get you out. You know what I mean? This is for anyone who lives within the United States. Especially if you live out far within the United States and you can get your bike to me if you gotta pay shipping, whatever it is. Those who live out of the country, I don't know how you're gonna get your bike here to Las Vegas. You know what I mean? So let's just keep it domestically for right now. But again, stage 2 package, that's a 6-speaker setup, 2 tweeters, 1 amp, full DSP, full flash on your bike, full RTA tune and everything like that. So it's not no BS. And for those who do follow me, y'all know how I get down with my work. I do not play whatsoever. Every bike I have sounds great, sounds beautiful the way it should be, and that's that. So at the end of the day, for those who is interested, hit me up, shoot me a message on Instagram. That's the best way to do it, at Heavyweights Customs, and then we can lock you in and get you right. For those, and this is for those who want to wait, who aren't in a rush to get a system ASAP. This is for those who want my work but don't have $3,000, $4,000 to just drop on music. I understand it because I'm the same way. Just because y'all see me making money don't mean I got money. I got people to take care of, I got a house to take care of, I got a shop to take care of. So just because y'all see me making the bread don't mean I'm out here just living lavish and shit like that. So I understand for those who want the music that can't get it done ASAP, this is a chance right here where you might be able to get it for just a $50 buy-in. I'm doing Apple Pay right now, Cash App, Venmo. So if y'all are interested, hit me up, let me know. For those who want sound systems done, like immediately, I have Snap Finance. Again, for those who can't afford to drop the money up front, do have Snap financing as well. If you don't, all you gotta do is go on my Instagram, click on my bio, the link is right there. If you don't know how to follow instructions, hit me up, I'll send you the link. We can go from there. You're either gonna get approved or not get approved. If you get approved, we move forward. If you don't get approved, save up your chips and we'll go from there. So at the end of the day, I'm trying to finish up this customer's bike. He just came from Oceanside right now, stage 2, street glide. But y'all just hit me up if y'all really wanna join the raffle. We go from there. Much love always, heavyweights.
Yeah. Heavyweights customs. Yeah. Heavyweights sound got the whole lane knocking up. 6.5, sing while the 6x9's dropping. Yeah. Built in the shop, everywhere getting right. Highway loud, still clean every night. Yeah. Full package bills, yeah, we don't cut corners. DSP tone, bring the sound of life proper. A2B lock, yeah, the signal stay clear. From the lows to the highs, every note hit here. Corner of a bar while I ride through the set. 2 in 1 bark.